So students, will begin with our topic on escape velocity. Before we proceed, let's talk about a topic what we had discussed before. Let us revise that. Students, we had studied that when an object is projected in the vertically upward direction from the surface of the earth, due to the gravitational force of the earth, its velocity keeps on decreasing and it will reach a certain height, and at a certain height its velocity becomes zero and it will begin its downward journey. Now the maximum height that can be attained by an object or reached by an object depends upon the value of the initial velocity with which it is thrown in the upward direction. The greater the initial velocity with which it is projected, the greater will be the height that it reaches. Now, all of you are aware that as the body goes higher and higher, the acceleration due to gravity decreases. Also, the gravitational force acting on the body projected vertically upward keeps on decreasing as the distance of the object keeps on increasing. So as the body goes higher and higher, the gravitational force on it will decrease. So what it means that the greater the velocity with which it is projected, it will go higher and higher. Finally, it will reach a particular height at which it will be able to escape the gravitational force of the earth. So this velocity with which an object is projected in the vertically upward direction so that it can escape the earth's gravitational force is called as escape velocity. So we will define what is escape velocity, right? And then we will go on to derive a formula to calculate the value of the escape velocity. We will see what the escape velocity should be, or what the value of the escape velocity should be in order that an object can escape the Earth's gravitational force and remain in space. So for that matter, you will get to understand that what should be the velocity of maybe a space shuttle or a satellite with which it should be projected so that it will escape the Earth's gravitational force and remain there to orbit the Earth. So let's look at the next clip in which we will be able to study what is the escape velocity, and we will be able to derive a formula for the escape velocity as well.